Hello, I am David Eduardo Sarmiento Prieto. I am 30 years old. I live in Guatavita, Cundinamarca with my parents and two brothers in a farm. And I am studying public accounting in the UNAD. And in my free times, I like to ride my bicycle and go out with my friends. Also, I like riding in motorcycle. And my biggest hobby is cycling. In my last vacation, I didn't travel anywhere because I was working in a construction near home. But in the next vacation, if I plan to go to the coast or travel to Ibagué. Now, today, I'm going to talking about to how prepare a delicious dessert, meringue. And these are the ingredients we will need. 5 egg whites, lemon juice, 1 cup of milk cream, and a pinch of salt, half cup of sugar, a quarter cup of sugar, vanilla essence, and half a kilo of strawberries. Preparation. First, place the egg whites in a bowl and add salt. Then beat vigorously. Next, add the lemon juice and continue beating. And after that, add the sugar little by little and continue beating until the mixture is white and creamy. Then, please wax a paper into baking pans and preheat the oven. Next, place the our mixture in the pans and bake in the oven for about 1 hour. Mix the cream with the vanilla essence and the sugar and place in the refrigerator. After that, cut the strawberries in slices. Then place a layer of meringues as a base. On top of the base, put cream with the sliced fruit and cover with another layer of meringue. And finally, refrigerate for at least 1 hour and serve.